Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to take control of your Android device, today's video is just for you. We're diving into some of the best management apps that can help you organize your files, manage applications, and optimize your device's performance. With these powerful tools at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to keep your Android running smoothly. Let's get started. MT Manager. MT Manager is a powerful file manager and application management tool specifically designed for Android devices. This app offers a comprehensive suite of features that allow users to manage files, edit APKs, and even perform advanced tasks like decompiling and recompiling app resources. The user-friendly interface provides easy navigation, enabling users to access their files and applications seamlessly. Additionally, MT Manager supports various file formats and includes built-in text and image viewers, making it versatile for various tasks. It is particularly popular among developers and advanced users who need precise control over app development and customization. App Manager. App Manager is an efficient tool for handling installed applications on Android devices. This app allows users to view, backup, restore, and uninstall applications with ease. With a simple and intuitive interface, users can quickly find and manage their apps based on different categories or usage. App Manager also provides detailed app information, including permissions, installation date, and data sizes, helping users make informed decisions about which applications to keep or remove. Furthermore, the ability to back up apps ensures that users can easily restore their favorite applications without losing any data, making it a valuable tool for anyone looking to streamline their app management. MP Manager. MP Manager is designed to help users manage and optimize their Android device effectively. This app provides a range of features, including file management, app management, and system optimization tools. MP Manager allows users to uninstall unwanted applications, clear cache data, and create backups of important files. Its straightforward interface makes it easy for users to navigate through various options and perform tasks quickly. Additionally, MP Manager includes features for monitoring system performance, which helps users identify and rectify issues that may affect device speed or functionality. It is ideal for users seeking a holistic approach to managing their Android devices. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best management apps helps you find the right tools to enhance your Android experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and app recommendations. Which management app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time.